Assuming your girl wrapped this for you because I know you didn't take the time to wrap this up. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with another video. So check this out. The homie Me and My Kicks. Yes, Me and My Kicks, you know, of YouTube celebrity fame. You know, Who Has the Heat fame. You know, if you haven't checked him out, check out his YouTube channel, Me and My Kicks. It's down in the description below. Also, you can check him out on Instagram, which is right up there. You know, check him out, Me and My Kicks. So the homie sent me a Christmas gift. He said he has something coming in the mail, so, you know, we'll give you a quick little note here. It says, you know, don't open before Christmas. Make an unboxing video, pretty much. So that's what I'm doing. But before I go ahead and open this box up, let me go ahead and first say, welcome back to the channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You can also follow your boy on Instagram, which is also on the screen. Somewhere up here, down there, everywhere. Come check out your boy TheWiseSole. I'm gonna go ahead and upload these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this Christmas gift from the homie, Me and My Kicks. Now let's see what he sent the homie. I don't really know what's in here. You know, I got an idea, but I don't really know. So this is the thing about Me and My Kicks. Before I open this real quick, he a funny dude, and you know, he be like to play and joke. I don't know if I'm really in the mood for that right now, but I'm gonna take his word for it that it ain't nothing crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So Me and My Kicks, let's see what you got your boy TheWiseSole. Here we go. First of all, let me just say this. I mean, who wrapped your presents for you, my dude? Like, this is A1 wrapping right here. Like, I'm assuming your girl wrapped this for you because I know you didn't take the time to wrap this up. Alright, so we got a box here. Alright, you see right there, it has my name on it again, TheWiseSole. You guys can see right there, focus. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh yeah, thanks again for rocking with your boy again. Don't forget you can follow me on, Wow, Me and My Kicks, my dude, my guy. Shout out to the 49ers right here. Shout out, he knows the squad. He got me a 49er beanie. Like, first of all, Me and My Kicks, y'all know this dude is the hat king of YouTube at this point. He got all the gear. He got me a new era beanie. First, that's dope right there. Thanks a lot, Me and My Kicks. And I got a card here. Look, y'all know how I do, like when I read the box, I'm gonna have to read the card real quick. Obviously, it says Merry Christmas right there. Oh, on the back, it has the Niners logo. And again, TheWiseSole. Y'all can see that right there. Side, y'all see that, got a picture of Jordan. You know, one of the GOATs of the NBA, if not the GOAT. Let's go ahead and read that card real quick. It says, may the merry and your Christmas last all year long. Thank you for being one of the realest YouTubers out there. Your hard work and dedication is appreciated. Till the next time we see each other at a sneaker event, hope your YouTube channel flourishes and enjoy the present, bro. Yeah, this is my guy right here. You know what? You know, he said he was gonna send some. You know, I didn't know what it was gonna be. You know, but hey, y'all see that right there. Me and My Kicks, thank you very much, bro. You know, the beanie is definitely gonna go to use out here. I'm gonna rock it. Even though the Niners season didn't go as a plan, I'm still gonna rock my squad. That's dope. I really appreciate that, bro. Again, thank you. That just wraps this up. Check out my next couple of videos. I got my top 5 Nike shoes coming out and my top 5 Jordans, 2 separate videos dropping in the next couple of days. Be prepared for that. And until next time, remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.